Ready for a new kind of telescope experience? Unlock the power of your smartphone to help you navigate the universe. Introducing the Celestron StarSense Explorer 8 and 10-inch Dobsonians, two new large-aperture telescopes that will revolutionize the way you interact with the night sky. With StarSense Explorer's patented sky recognition technology, there's no learning curve. You'll be able to locate planets, double stars, star clusters, nebulae, galaxies, and more on your first night out. StarSense Explorer technology meets massive aperture for the brightest, most detailed views. These jumbo Newtonian reflectors feature a parabolic mirror and an XLT reflective coating for enhanced throughput. It all sits on top of an ultra-stable Dobsonian base with variable altitude tensioning and smooth Teflon bearings. Using the StarSense Explorer Dobsonian is easy. First, dock your smartphone and launch the app. Unlike other astronomy apps, StarSense Explorer uses your smartphone's camera for sky recognition and aligns precisely with your telescope to pinpoint its exact position in the night sky. Follow the simple instructions, and in seconds the app generates a list of all the best objects currently visible in the night sky. Select an object from the list and follow the on-screen arrows to center it in the eyepiece. As you move the telescope, StarSense Explorer recalibrates its position in real time. The bullseye turns green when your object is ready to view. StarSense Explorer works anywhere in the world, no cell signal required. So whether you're in your backyard or a remote dark sky location, the universe is yours to explore.